In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect your Instagram account to your ad account. See, if you are running advert in 2025 and beyond, and you are not running advert to Instagram, you are missing out a lot because we have a lot of quality audience on Instagram. Sometimes this kind of audience, you cannot find it on Facebook except you are running advert on Instagram. And most times, Facebook will not allow your advert to run if you are not connected on Instagram. Even though you can still use your Facebook page to run it, but sometimes it's always best for you to connect your Instagram on your ad account. And for this particular example, I am going to be using business account, not personal account. Business account. How do I do that? I have logged in into my Facebook ad account, and all I need to do is to come to this all tools and find business settings. So I'm going to click on business setting now. Very quickly, before I get into that, I want to let you know that your Instagram account must be a professional account. If you use personal Instagram account, you are not going to be able to use it here. So if you are using a personal Instagram account, you can easily go and switch it now to a professional account. It's so easy to do. Okay, so right now we are going to go into the ad manager of this business account. And once you do that, you have to scroll down to this place. You see Instagram account. If you have linked any Instagram account before, it is going to show here. But because I have not linked anyone, it is very empty. For us to link it, we're just going to click on add, and it's going to prompt us only Instagram professional accounts can be added as a business profile. If you add a personal account, it will be switched to professional. So it's the same thing that I said. Right now, I'm just going to check this box. I agree to Instagram terms and condition, and I'm going to claim Instagram account. Right now, it's going to take me to where I will log in. Of course, you have to know your login detail, your Instagram username and password and all of that. So right now, I'm just going to put something right away. Okay, and then my password, you must have copied the password, you just put it and you log in. And if your detail is very correct, it is going to log in. But if it's not correct, you might get some error. Don't panic. All you need to do is to recheck and make sure that your detail is correct. So they're asking me to check my email for a code that they sent to me. Let me quickly do that and put that code right there. And the moment I put that code right there, it's going to now connect. This is one of the easiest way you can connect your Instagram account to your ad manager so that when you're running adverts, they will allow your ad to run on Instagram. Let me quickly click continue. Now, sometimes because of network glitches, you might get some errors, some bounce back there. But these things happen in any technology we are using. So just keep trying and it will just go. But most times you might not even encounter any glitches. I'm just saying because you have to prepare for the worst. Okay, let's give it a few moments to load. And just right there, my Instagram account has been linked. Let me go back and refresh this page. As you can see, my Instagram has been linked. So when you look at Instagram now, you can see that this particular account has been linked. It is so easy. This is the method you can use to connect any Instagram professional account that you have to your ad manager. When I'm now running adverts, I can now have the option, do I want to select this page or do I want to select another one? Of course, this is an example Instagram account, but if I wanted to create a normal Instagram account, I have to name it something that tallies with my business name so that when I use it to run ad, it will not look odd. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have gotten value from this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can keep on getting more helpful videos like this. I will see you in the next video.